Impress barcode order tracking allows you to print barcodes on your company's forms, such as your production orders or work orders, as well as on specific worksheets that you might use in separate departments, such as screen printing or embroidery. The scanning feature allows users in each department to update the status of an order for a particular task that they might be responsible for. Each scan will update the main order status board in Impress, allowing all the other Impress users to see the status of a particular order in real time. In addition to being easier than typing, barcode scanning is also a great way to overcome language barriers and reduce mistakes associated with data entry. Impress will work with either wireless or wired scanners. Most people will select a wired scanner that attaches directly to the PC, as this type is considerably less expensive than the wireless kind. We recommend a USB scanner. You will most likely want to place a scanner at each workstation or location where you want your staff to perform scans, such as at their desk, shipping and receiving, or perhaps a central location on the shop floor. The barcode scanning capability built into Impress works in conjunction with the order status board. As users scan their various tasks, Impress will automatically keep track and update the board. The order status board is a flexible view screen that shows all the open orders in the system and is a quick and easy way for someone to see the status of an order. The color-coded columns on the right show the different departmental steps that the order has passed through. Users can manipulate the data by using the built-in sort, filter, and search tools. Optional fields can be added. And these new fields can also work with the search tools. Double-clicking on an order allows the user to drill down to the order itself, and the barcode tracking fields can be added to the board as well. Let's take a closer look at these activity codes. Activity codes can be defined to track the specific tasks and/or users that you want to capture in your particular business. Typically, this is something that we will help you set up during initial implementation of Impress. Barcodes can be printed out and kept at a station so that multiple users can update a particular task or activity. Or, you can also print specific user badges to capture individual employee scans and associate them with certain tasks, like scanning a work order to indicate the start or end of a production run. You can use scanning in multiple areas of Impress, such as sales order shipping, invoice entry, order tracking activity entry, shipping label print, stock picking, sales order entry, customer supplied stock receiving, and multiple areas of the PO system. Users can update the status of an order either manually or by using barcode scans. To update the information manually, you would use the activity entry screen. First, we would select the sales order. Let's select 2843. This order is calling for the 2-print design to be placed on 160 Anvil 1202 ash-colored garments. We can tell that there is previous activity recorded against this order because the current status is showing the letter C. If we go to the History tab, we can see that this order has already been designated as artwork in initial design stage. Since I've already logged into Impress, my username will automatically be recorded against this activity we're about to do now. I select the activity from the drop-down. Let's choose Art Out for customer approval. And I can add a new comment if I'd like, and save it. That's it. The status has been updated. If you have the Web Order Status module as part of your installation, then order tracking can be extended to your customers as well. A customer can log into their account and see the status of their orders in real time. They can also play a role in updating a status. Web Order Status allows you to submit a new design to the customer for approval, and they can approve the artwork online. Impress will automatically update the status of the order, which you can view on the order status board, as well as notify you of this change via email if you so desire. To update the status of an order using barcode scanners, you would use the barcode station entry screen. In this mode, instead of selecting a sales order from a drop-down menu with your mouse, the user would simply scan the barcode on the form and Impress will populate the fields. As you can see, scanning the barcode at the top of the work order populates the information for sales order 2843. Since I am sharing this scanning station with other users, Impress is now prompting me to scan my user ID badge. Now that my ID has been added, Impress is prompting me to scan the activity that I am performing. In this case, I scan the activity code that lets everyone know that I have started production on this order. An order tracking confirmation rule has popped up asking me to confirm that I am indeed starting this production. I can also print out barcodes for yes or no questions. And that's all there is to it. Once the scan is complete, the barcode station screen returns to the ready position, waiting for the next user to scan something. If we return to our order status board, we can see that sales order 2843 has been updated by our barcode scan. Sometimes companies will choose a letter configuration for their scanning activities so that they spell out a word, such as complete, as a quick and easy way for their employees to determine the status of an order. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo.